8th Canto, Chapter 17, verse 1, it's told that Aditi was the ideal disciple or follower of her Guru Pati, her husband Kashyap Muni, acting as her guru, and she very strictly followed his instruction. And the word that describes here strictly is atandrita. Atandrita means without any laziness. He was very diligent and determined and controlled. So therefore she was successful in carrying out his orders and his instructions, and she got the result of her brata, her austerity, her tapa, her puja, her radhanam. Her wish was to have the Lord come as her son and bring back her son Indra and the demigods, restore them, return their kingdom to them, which was taken over by Bali Maharaj. And Prabhupada explains that this point is relevant to all of us. Prabhupada uses Aditi and compares her to the ideal disciple in relationship to his guru, or in her case, the guru was the Guru Pati, Kashyap. Prabhupada says, for advancement in anything, especially in spiritual life, one must strictly follow the bona fide instructions of the teacher. One should have complete faith in the Guru, who helps the disciple make progress in spiritual life. As soon as the disciple thinks independently, not caring for the instructions of the spiritual master, he is a failure. Aditi was the classic example of the ideal disciple, following her guru, husband, Kashyap, and by her strict following she was successful. So the implication is that this is the cause for success in spiritual life. If a disciple wants to be successful in his sadhana bhakti, come to bhava and prema, they should strictly follow the order of the spiritual master with great faith and not act lazily or independently, have his own idea or own will, because that will not produce any success. There are some prayers that Aditi offers to Lord Vamanadev when he appears. Interesting to note also, it says when Vamanadev appeared, it describes his form, and it says that he was, in one verse it describes he was sham color. Of course, the painting on the cover of the Bhagavatam shows him as being golden color. But the verse in translation, 8th Canto, he was sham, he was dark color.